Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device so you can inspect overlays immediately. First, enable developer options when necessary and open display or lock screen settings to see candidates. Once done, check which apps have permission to draw over other apps. That list is where overlays often live. You should also connect to a PC or use a file manager to examine installed APKs and their manifest if you need deeper inspection. This sets up the environment, so the next steps reveal the overlay source. Now you actively locate the overlay by narrowing suspects. Go to Apps, Special Access, and Open Display over other apps. Toggle individual apps off to see if the overlay disappears. Once you disable a likely candidate, reproduce the lock screen to confirm cause and effect. If visual checks fail, run a DB logcat or a process monitor to capture Windows and Surface events while locking the device. The logs point to the package name creating the overlay. Make sure to document each change so you can revert. Finish by removing or fixing the offending overlay so the lock screen behaves normally. If an app is responsible, uninstall it or revoke its drawover permission, then lock and verify the issue is resolved. If you need preservation, try force stopping, clearing cache or data, or applying an update to the app instead. If the problem persists, reboot into safe mode to confirm system versus third-party causes. Safe mode isolates third-party apps and is a key troubleshooting step if overlays still appear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.